Well, the first thing to know about OpenTech is actually the idea that came from a gentleman named Charlie McCarty. Charlie actually had a patent for a self-service kiosk. And he had patented that idea because he had 2 facilities in Minnesota. And he was bouncing back and forth between the 2 facilities trying to service them as opposed to hiring extra staff. They're about 10 minutes apart. One of his relatives and him got together and decided that they should be able to have a computerized system that could run at the properties, and then they could actually rent units and take payments from tenants when they came to the property, so he didn't have to run back and forth all the time. So they created a patent for that application. After 9/11, he was having a hard time actually doing anything with the patent. So I purchased the patent, built a company around it, and Charlie was a shareholder for many years. Unfortunately, he's passed away since then. But it was his idea. So the kiosk in the self-storage industry was born, and from there we added a bunch of other products and services. When we first started the business, we started as a bootstrap company, so we didn't have any extra funds. We didn't take private equity and venture capital funds, and so we started in my garage and building the first kiosk there. And then continued to have kiosks shipped there. We would then ship them out to each customer from our offices and keep one so we knew how they worked, so we could provide service and support for them. And then about 2004, we actually finally moved into these offices here and have grown ever since here.
We wanted to ensure that we did things the right way. So we have a corporate value called doing it right, regardless of what the ramifications might be of doing the right thing in any given situation.
We're growing leaps and bounds. I think we're becoming an industry leader in a lot of areas, so we're pretty excited about that. John Lofton became available, so now we have access to a guy that's been in the industry for 25 plus years, known as the thought leader in that space, and he got to do what we all would love to do, which is, hey, here's your budget, go build the latest and the greatest. What would you change with all of the knowledge you have from 25 plus years in the self-storage vertical?
And for the last 25 years in self-storage, it's really been focused on access control, security, and technology. So I joined OpenTech, I guess, probably about 3 years ago, and the main purpose was to create this IOE platform and this centralized intelligent access.
The idea that these guys built their own technology from scratch in their garage, put money back in the business constantly every year, you just get a good feeling about people.
We offer all of our technology based upon our company's name, OpenTech. Being open isn't new to us, so there's a lot of people talking about that today, but I just kind of point to our logo and say it's not a new idea for us. We've been committed to it, doing it for 15 years.
I had no idea when I first came into this industry the opportunity for innovation. So self-storage is really changing, and it's exciting. I love the path we're on.
I think we're just starting to learn more ways to use the product we have, and that's exciting.